Have you ever rubbed a balloon against your shirt and held it up to your hair only for your hair to stick to it, or rubbed your feet on a carpet and touched someone else, or a light switch only to feel a shock? These events are due to charge. This charge comes about through excess electrons or protons. Every object is made up of atoms, and these atoms are made up of electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons have a negative charge, protons have a positive charge, and neutrons have no charge. Typically, objects have neutral charge, with equal amounts of electrons and protons in it. These charges interact with each other in different ways, and the strength of this interaction depends on distance. Let's look at this by using some tape. We start by putting a piece of tape on a flat surface. Then we put another piece of tape on top of that, but not completely, so we can rip it off. The act of ripping this piece of tape off of the other is so fast and has enough energy that it took electrons from the tape on the table and gained a negative charge. If I make a second negatively charged tape, we can see that these two pieces repel each other as they get close. This is because things with the same charge repel each other. Let's repeat the tape experiment by putting two pieces of tape on top of the tape on the table and ripping them off together. When we rip them off together, they will have a negative charge together. If we rub our finger against them, we can remove this charge and make it neutral. Now, if we rip them apart, one of them has a negative charge and the other has a positive charge. We can see that now they attract each other. You may have noticed this by now, but if I bring my finger towards either piece of tape, positively or negatively charged, the piece of tape is attracted to my finger. This is due to polarization. The charges in the tape will repel the like charges and attract the opposite charges in my finger, making the part of my finger closest to the tape have a charge that is opposite the charge of the tape, causing the tape to be attracted to it.